Hi, welcome back to my channel. This video is about an order that I placed in Smytten app. Recently, I saw an ad about this and gave it a try. So today I received this package. This app gives 6 free trial products and a free gift with it. Let's check the products together. Turns out I get a pouch with it. And it's worth 499 rupees. A salicylic acid face wash from the Derma, worth 149 rupees. And then I got Jelly Brightening and Radiance mask worth 660 rupees. And there's a bunch of other products in here. Let's see what we got here. I got Honor Mud Pie Clay mask worth 180 rupees. And I got a Bringroj hair oil worth 165 rupees. A Vlcc face wash worth 19 rupees. A night gel from Plum worth 175. Ocean Dew mist worth 79. A D cream from Plum worth 175. These are the products that I chose using 6 free trial points from Smytten app. And these are the products that I got as a free gift, including the bag. I selected a black one. It feels soft and leathery. As you can see, it is spacious and it fits all the products I got in it. And that's all about the Smytten order that I have placed. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos.